Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chrysler Pacifica battery, updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and opening the hood. Disconnect any cabin or trunk power accessories before touching battery terminals. Put on gloves and safety glasses, then locate the battery and positive terminal cover. Make sure the engine is off and the key is removed. Keep metal tools away from both terminals to prevent shorting. With safety gear on, disconnect the negative terminal first to lower short risk, then remove the positive terminal. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen clamp bolts and gently twist and pull the terminals free. Tuck the disconnected cables aside to prevent accidental contact with the battery. If terminals are corroded, clean them with a baking soda solution before reinstallation. Keep metal tools from bridging terminals and never touch both posts at once. If you enjoyed this step, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical car tips. Quick recommendation: I love the perspective in The Simple Path to Wealth, and it made me think differently about saving for repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the hold-down clamp or bracket using the correct socket, then lift the battery straight up with both hands, avoiding tilt to minimize acid spillage. Set the battery on a protected surface and inspect the tray for corrosion or debris. Clean the tray with a mild cleaner if needed and neutralize any acid with baking soda and water. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or retailer that accepts lead-acid batteries properly and legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.